Hi, Agent Bosko here, broker with Keller Williams Realty. I'm excited to present you my latest listing at 33 Shorebreeze Drive. Jade Waterfront Condominiums is located on the Humber Bay shores of Lake Ontario, known for its scenic lakefront parks with numerous walking and cycling paths, nearby beaches and Etobicoke Yacht Club. This is waterfront living with every amenity at your doorstep. Metro for groceries, Starbucks, Shoppers Drug Mart, LCBO, hip restaurants, pubs and lounge bars. Let's take a closer look. Spectacular sub-penthouse, one bedroom plus den corner suite features open concept layout with soaring 10-foot high ceilings, 818 square feet of living space, plus wraparound balcony, floor-to-ceiling windows, pot lights, engineered hardwood floors. European-inspired gourmet kitchen includes full-size stainless steel appliances, custom-designed contemporary cabinetry, glass-style backsplash, quartz countertops, and breakfast bar. Master bedroom features 10-foot high ceilings and access to the balcony. Then is a separate room with a sliding glass door. Luxury additions are marble tiled bathroom with jacuzzi tub, smooth ceilings and Hunter Douglas blinds throughout. Laundry with full-size front-load washer and dryer, and large undermount stainless steel sink. The 370 square foot wraparound balcony extends the living space to the outdoors and offers panoramic southwest views of Lake Ontario and Toronto. Jade Waterfront Condos has it all. 24-hour concierge, fitness center, steam room, billiards, party room, outdoor pool with lounge area, guest suite and visitors parking for your guest convenience. Jade is seconds away from the Gardiner Expressway, your quick and convenient route to downtown Toronto. Mimico Station is minutes away and TTC is right at your doorstep. For more information, send us an email or call today for a private tour. We'll be happy to show you around. Thank you so much for joining me.